Hey guys, Deanna here. Today I created this lavender look using the new Color Festival palette. This palette was inspired by festival season and all the fun colors people use during those times. Fun fact, the shade Haze as well as the packaging was inspired by the neon nails seen all over social media. With this Color Festival palette, we really give you everything you would need in both color and finish. You have shimmer, you have matte, duochrome, light and dark shades, so no matter what festival you go to, you have the look. Going in with my number 10 brush from the Color Festival brush collection, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the color Pop and place that into my crease. Next, taking my number 7 flat brush, I'm gonna take the same color Pop and place that all over my lids. Next, with the same number 7 flat brush, I'm gonna take the same color Pop and place this under the lash line. Going back in with my number 10 blending brush, I'm gonna just go back in and make sure everything is blended and has a smooth transition. Going in with my number 11 pencil brush, I'm gonna take the color Disco and place this in my inner corners to add a pop. So I went ahead and added mascara to complete this eye makeup look. So here we have the completed eye makeup look using the new Color Festival palette. And don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations.